Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about my hair. Obviously it's bleached and I get so many compliments on my hair and about how I keep it healthy considering it is bleached. And I'm very excited to say that today's video is in collaboration with Redken and I'm going to be talking to you all about their acidic bonding concentrate. As you can see, my hair is super soft. My hair is about 24 inches long and that's a lot of bleach. So for the last few months, I have been trying the acidic bonding concentrate range by Redken, which is the shampoo, conditioner, and also the leave-in treatment. This is the perfect range if you're looking to strengthen your hair but also restore your hair's natural pH balance. Maintaining a pH level is important for the health of your hair. It's something that you probably don't know about. We hear a lot about pH levels when it comes to skincare, but we don't often hear about it when it comes to our actual hair. Obviously, there's a lot of outside factors that will disrupt that delicate pH balance of your hair, such as hard water, even heat styling, colouring, lightening your hair, different shampoos and conditioners. So this Redken acidic bonding concentrate contains citric acid, which is going to bring your pH level to around a 4 to 4.5, which is where hair sits at its healthiest. When I was on the Zoom meeting to learn more about these products, they did a little experiment which fascinated me. So I asked them if I could use the footage to show you guys. What they're doing here is adding a pH testing solution to the water. And as you can see, the pH level of water is 7. However, in some areas, this can be as high as 9, which is quite damaging for your hair. Next, they're adding the Redken acidic bonding concentrate shampoo. And you're going to see that it's going to take this to a pH level of 4, which is where we are looking to sit when we want our hair at its healthiest. So as I said, I've been using this for a few months now. And from the very first time that I actually washed my hair with it, it was so soft. So there are 10 benefits within this range. It reduces breakages by up to 56%. It tames frizz. It adds shine. It helps protect from colour fading. It's an intense conditioner, especially with the leave-in treatment element. But it isn't just about the latest product that's come out. There's so much science behind what goes into these products, why they've made them, and how to achieve the healthiest hair for you. And what's great is that you don't just have to have this done at a salon. Obviously, the shampoo and the conditioner and the leave-in treatment is something you can do at home, so you can look after your hair when you're not at the salon. However, if you are in a Redken partner salon, you can ask for an acidic concentrate system to be applied to your hair, which is done at the back bar. So it's really nice if you want something a little bit more intense to really get your hair back to its healthiest condition. So my hair's been washed with the acidic bonding shampoo and conditioner. Now I'm going to go in with the leave-in treatment of the three. So this is the Redken acidic perfecting concentrate, and again this is a leave-in treatment, so you just put it into your hair and then you will style it as usual. So this is the concentrate, this is the leave-in one. You only need a small amount, rub it between your hands, and then you just want to scrunch it into your hair. I like to start off with the ends of my hair and then work my way up the mid shaft of the hair up towards the root. And this is beautiful, the smell is insane. And then use what's left on your fingers to kind of run it through the rest of your hair. Allows you to use hot tools up to 230 degrees. Also helps to protect from colour fade. So if you bleach your hair, or like me, you have toner on your hair, just helps that colour from fading quickly. It definitely does the 11 times smoother. My hair always feels so lovely and always looks super smooth. One of the things I found really interesting to see when we were looking at our hair under a microscope. Obviously my hair was in good condition already purely because I use Redken products. A lot of people's hair in that single strand, the cuticle all lifts up, and the idea is that these products will help to bond those tiny bits of the cuticle that stand up. So it helps to protect hair strength. It also tames frizz and adds a beautiful shine to the hair. And obviously as this is a leave-in product, it gives you that intense conditioning. And I always start at the bottom of my hair, working out any kind of tangles, but as you can see I don't actually have any because my hair is so soft. It's really important when you've got bleached hair to be aware of the fact that you've already damaged your hair. So you want to do whatever you can to keep it in the best condition possible. I don't know if you've seen the viral videos of hairdressers putting heat protectant onto a piece of toast on one side but not the other, and then popping it into the toaster, and the side that had the heat protectant on didn't brown because it was obviously protected from the heat. So that's a really good example of why it's really important to use products with heat protectant in it. Now my hair is protected and it's super soft, I'm going to dry it and style it, and then I will be back. So I'm back, I've styled my hair. As you can see, it is so soft, it's in incredible condition. I literally have not stopped using it since I received it. It's my favourite of the Redken ranges. I love that it literally does what it says. When I wash my hair, my frizz is tamed, it's so much shinier, the smell is just divine. Even if you walk past it in a salon, just go in and have a sniff. It's so lovely. And I would definitely recommend getting one of those microscopes and looking at your hair after you've been using this, after a few washes, and you will see that your split ends will be reduced, but you can physically see it in the strand when you do it yourself. An incredible range, I love it. So give it a try for yourself, let me know if you've already tried it or if you're going to try it, and I'm going to link it down in the description bar for you. If there's something that I've not covered or you've got any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I will do my best to get back to you. A huge thank you to Redken for partnering with me. It's one of my favourite brands, you know I've used it for so many years now, so I'm very excited that I get to share this with you. Come follow me outside of YouTube over on Instagram at ShowMeMakeup, and I will see you next week. Bye guys.